The VIP are an arrested violent initiator. Ladies and gentlemen, a strong box formation. Ladies and gentlemen, contingents are now proceeding and moving fast with full power towards their last formation. Behold, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to EM contingents, 3rd Sergeant G Battalion, in column formation.